Castle Kitchen late night edition though, you know what I mean? It's about 10:09, it's late. You know, we just had a late night munchie, so we decided to make some quesadillas. But it's not normal quesadillas. We gotta put a little zaza on them. We got, you know what I mean? We got the bacon. We got some buffalo sauce for the chicken. You know, buffalo chicken quesadillas with some bacon. With some, what is that? Chipotle ranch?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's that zaza. That's that zaza. And of course the chicken breast, of course. And you can't forget about the bell pepper. Of course, the bell pepper. Green, of course. Yeah.
But, wait.
There's
wait
more.
1 second.
What?
The great value tortilla.
Tortillas are tortillas, okay? Don't judge.
You could at least got some, you know.
The same thing, man.
Grand.
Alright, so let's get to it.
Alright.
Y'all know how we do. We get down. Y'all seen part 1, this part 2. Let's get it. Alright, we about to get into it. As I said, late night edition. It's 10:15. Super late to eat, but we hungry, so we're gonna do our thing.
What?
Dice that chicken. You know what you're doing?
I don't.
It's alright, we're gonna get to it though.
And
what? You don't like the knife, huh?
no, the
Use a
knife
different
is
knife.
too big. These glasses are too dark. This is hard. I gotta take them off my face.
The glasses?
Chicken, yeah. Take
Oh
them
my
off my
god,
face.
alright. Thought you said you could do it. Yo! While she's dicing up the chicken, I'm gonna show y'all the seasonings we're gonna be using. Great value, of course. Garlic, some poultry seasoning, because we're cooking poultry. Fajita seasoning, because
you like to overseason.
ignore her in the back. Fajita seasoning. And some Mrs. Dash. Can't go wrong with some Mrs. Dash.
And my work here is done.
Alright, we're gonna cook the bacon first. Yeah. Woo.
Y'all,
That.
fingers crossed. Because he likes to burn bacon. Oh, look at that. Hold on. Hold on.
Relax.
You tatted. You always put the handle in the inside, child.
Teach me something, wife. Teach me something.
Ew, look at that.
Alright, so while that cook, I'm gonna slice up these bell peppers. Wash my hands.
Yeah. Are you kidding me?
I don't know what technique y'all use to cut bell peppers, but that's how I do it, alright? Alright, better move back over here beside the bacon. Yeah, after this bacon is done, we're gonna throw the chicken in here. Let it cook with that bacon fat. Give some more extra seasoning. Makes sense, right?
I just want to show y'all what it's like to live with Cedric. Because why would you put this back in the refrigerator? What is this?
It's a squid.
A squid?
A squid.
It's a swig.
A squid. It's a squid. Blaze that.
Of course, Cedric burnt the bacon as he always does.
First of all,
No.
First of all,
Now I have an attitude because
first
I
of
don't
all,
like
that's
burnt
perfect.
bacon.
I don't
It's
get
not
bacon.
about you.
it's about us.
No, it's about me and what I want to eat.
Nah, man,
Dang.
that's perfect, y'all. Ain't that perfect?
No.
Comment down below if you like
Yes.
crispy bacon.
That's stiff bacon.
Crispy bacon. The way you're supposed to eat it. Yeah, that's perfect bacon. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that.
That's nasty. You're not gonna taste nothing but the crisp.
Try it. Try it.
I'm
Don't
not
rush it. Try it.
eating
Try it. Yo. Here.
That's nasty.
Alright, so we gotta redo the bacon because she don't like crispy bacon like a normal human being. Alright, how about you cook this bacon? How about you wash it, alright? Okay?
Ow! I just got burned! Ow! Yo! That shit just popped on. Yeah. He just tried to take me out with the grease. Like, come on.
Look. You cooking the bacon.
Talking about why you screaming. I just got popped with bacon grease.
Because you had the glasses on, that's why. you couldn't envision yourself getting burnt.
Man, get out of here. I want to see how pretty my bacon about to be.
Yeah, please prove me wrong.
He's talking about that's enough bacon, but he eating it all. I'm confused.
So you make them all?
No, don't eat mine. That's yours.
Nah.
I guess you just gonna have a quesadilla with no bacon.
Okay, so your bacon done?
Just about. Yes, just about.
Okay.
This is
flimsy.
This is good bacon. No, it's not. It's
no
gonna be
life
crispy.
Bacon. That bacon has no life, no color.
Of course it don't have no life. It's a dead pig.
Bacon and kicked our ass.
Kicked you?
I started with 6 pieces, but I don't know what the hell happened. But yeah. Chicken quesadillas with a Z, chicken quesadillas with a Z, chicken quesadillas with a Z, chicken quesadillas with a Z.
Put them up.
Yo. Hey, yo.
That'll be a nice shit.
Alright, so the bacon is done.
Get into that bacon.
Get into that bacon. Let it.
I said stop playing with me. Stop playing with me.
Okay. Good little bacon. Mine is good. Like, if you that's not burnt. That's not burnt bacon.
Like stealing a slave.
It's not supposed to be flimsy. I don't know what kind of bacon you used to.
Oh wait, that look like ew.
Alright. Yo, back up.
So what's next?
Cut the chicken. That's good.
I'm feeling the bonnet. Okay. Cedric cooking the chicken because he's not gonna do anything but go behind me and season it and stuff anyway.
What's wrong with that? I don't know my own kitchen. I only know my own King's castle. Let's get the seasoning. You don't know how old this seasoning is.
Oh, yo! You
gotta do is shake it up a little bit.
Ain't no shaking it up. Yo, wait.
Yo, get off my seasoning.
No.
Tasteful blends.
I might die. I might die. Oh my god.
Kind of shit up,
Okay.
It's all good though.
Alright.
Smell good, don't it?
Safe to say, we can add the green peppers. What you think?
Yeah, I guess. Hey, let me go ahead and do that. Got the bell peppers and the chicken. We're gonna add this buffalo sauce to it too in a minute. I'm gonna do that now, actually. Oh yeah, that's it.
Bless them.
Oh, make it dance, make it shout.
Bless them.
Oh.
Yeah.
I mean, one more won't hurt. One more won't hurt.
You right. Right there.
Alright. I'll see ya.
Alright.
I'll see ya.
Alright. Hot.
Monkey ass.
It's 11:11. That's a sign that this food about to be bomb. It's my turn to cook now. You caught me. Put that down.
What you doing?
What?
Melt the cheese on it.
Oh.
What the hell? Y'all, she don't know what she doing.
We got some mozzarella and some sharp cheddar. Now, quick disclaimer. Supposed to get Taco Bell with bacon cheese, but we got hella cheese here, so we wasn't buying that.
Exactly. Straight for the cheddar.
Don't get the what's that? I think I'm gonna in the chicken.
She done dropped the goddamn cheese, y'all.
I know what that means. Somebody it. Say no. Yeah.
Let's say it again.
Mozzarella.
Say it again.
Mozzarella. Cheese. Then sharp cheddar. Sharp cheddar like that ghetto cheese. Sharp cheddar.
Sharp cheddar.
Okay, let the cheese melt a little bit first.
Yeah.
Comment down below some desserts y'all would like for us to cook.
Nothing wild. We're not bakers.
Ah, yeah. Yeah.
You sleep because why? It's late night
Yeah.
edition.
All right, then you gonna get your meat.
Yeah, no.
Then you gonna get your meat. Say,
Yeah. It's not done. The cheese not melted yet for me.
Cedric.
It's the cheese for me.
But it's
Yo.
It's gonna get melted because the chicken is hot, bro.
She just made something up. Like what? The heat from the chicken gonna melt the cheese. Okay.
It's a nut.
Okay. Go for it.
One more? This is being grateful.
Alright. You cut that chicken down. Cut chicken off. Break it.
You get your burnt bacon.
Break it in half.
That is nasty.
Give me another one.
Ew. Now this is bacon.
And you can't even break it. Flimsy ass cardboard. You can't even break it. This is the last step.
It's been a while.
Yeah. Show what that is. Chipotle.
You're supposed to get sriracha.
They ain't had
but
none. They ain't
didn't
had
have
none.
anymore, so this will do. Little leaf. Little leaf.
My tortilla probably burnt by now. Golly, hurry up.
That's not my problem, sir. That shit screaming here.
I thought it was Zara.
That's enough for you?
Yeah, that's good. That's perfect.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. It's time to flip. Hold the camera. I got it. You hold the camera. I'm flip it.
Damn, shit crispy. This how you like it. This how you like your food, though. So. That's for the damn grill, fool. Oh my goodness.
Terrible flip, by the way, but
Why are you cutting inside of the pan?
I'm not cutting it. I'm cutting halfway.
Gosh.
I'm cutting halfway, girl. I got this. Time to plate it. Watch out, my elbows.
Yes, it's a paper plate.
we don't do dishes around here.
I'm not washing anymore until what I need to wash.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna get out.
Shit, running from me. Yes.
Get the whole plate. She got me. She got me.
Damn.
Look at that. That shit looks sexy, don't it?
Taco Bell who?
Talk about what?
Taco Bell where?
Mexican who?
Quinceañera what?
El Rio Cafe Terrano, Argenis, Hermanas, Ramones, Enanas, and Hana who?
Yeah.
So we got the finished product here. A buffalo chicken quesadilla with bacon and some Zaza in it. So it's our first time eating this for tonight. It is. See what we did here. Of course, we got the sour cream on the side.
I think mine looks better.
You OD with yours. Yours is huge.
I know. Wait. We gotta bite at the same
We
time.
don't.
Yes, hon, look at that. Oh. Oh. Hold on.
Man.
Yo, not even exaggerating.
Oh.
This is top 2 and it ain't 2.
Yeah.
Alright, this concludes our video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you are new, turn on your post notifications because you won't be disappointed. And we will see y'all next video. Peace.